Hello YouTube. I'm going to go over a 2002 Honda Accord. I think it's the LX. It's kind of one of the higher end models of 2002. It's the four-door. And I'm going to show you what I had to do to replace the window motor. It's a little different than a lot of the ones I'm seeing. The ones I'm seeing online seem to be more Civic based, or they have like a cable drive. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Flip the camera around. A lot of them had the motor here, but they were talking about different bolts over on other parts of the door. I don't have those. I'll try to show you what I'm talking about. Essentially, it's some sort of more gear-driven system. So it was actually really simple. I taped my window. It was stuck in the up position. I think this would be very similar regardless of which position the window is stuck in, because essentially all I had to do was I actually took these bolts. There's 3 bolts on the back of the motor. These 3 right here, 1, 2, 3, and those are just a little 7mm bolt that goes in there. So you can actually reach through with a socket. If the window is rolled down, it'd be a little harder, but you may still have some tolerance to get in there with at least a box end. So I took those 3 bolts off, and that loosened up the motor a little bit, but I had to loosen all 4 of these bolts here, 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 and here. And that gave it enough play for this whole bracket system to bump out enough so I could pull the motor out. And so now I'm in the process of putting it back in. My motor didn't come with a new actual harness, or whatever these things are called. And so I'm just gonna do some connectors right there between the 2 wires. So yeah, I hope that helps somebody out there.